All right, guys. Well, we made it to Montana, and man, we were having some issues with that U-Haul trailer. But I have to tell you, he went and did it again. He did a thing. Well, that sounds somewhat secure.
Well, yeah, slam it in. Let's try it again, guys.
All right, let's see how the gate looks left down this time. Yeah.
Are you gonna leave it down?
Yeah, get behind it, right?
Shut up.
Yeah. Pay for that one later.
Tries to off me all the time.
Close the door, Gene.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take two, guys.
Pretty much straight like you got, man. We're gonna plug in real quick here. Okay. Looking good. Just like the pros do it. All right, hit the brakes on. Watch, he's gonna get high. Okay, hit the brakes. Put the brake on.
Concept here, Paul.
We're going to try to fit Tommy's bike in here. If not, that means you got to ride home.
I could fly home?
You got to ride home. Ride your bike home.
So Tommy's is going to go sideways and ours are going to go side by side.
I'm giving away our secrets.
More?
All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, I'm not riding it up because I'm not sure about it. So Tommy's taking it up for me.
Put the thing on there so I can drop it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Anybody wants anything?
This guy was amazing. He helped us so much. If you're interested in a trailer, come to Bish's in Montana. Take care. We will. Thank you. Can you believe it? We got a carbon. This thing is amazing. We just decided we're doing it. You just had to do it, right?
I didn't see you stopping me.
No? Heck no.
This is my man cave.
Oh, please.
I might let you come with me once in a while.
Oh, shit it.
Listen, hey.
What? Go ahead, bust your ass.
Read the Bible. The Bible
What?
says man, woman. Me Tarzan, you Jane.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Me woman, he dead. So there. How you like that? Hi, Elena.
Hey, baby.
This is
Read
the
Bible,
garage.
Gina.
This is the garage. Hi, Tommy.
Hello?
He hates us right now. My bike, Paul's bike, and Tommy's bike. Everything fit in here perfectly. We got the double beds up here. Bed 1, bed 2.
I'm on bed 2. Am I on bed 2?
You're on bed 1. But we made it just in time. The sun's about to go down. I'm so grateful for this. We love riding. We love it. And I think this is gonna be an awesome addition to what we love to do. And that's just ride. So I hope you guys enjoy our adventures because we have so many adventures to come. Thanks again. Please stay tuned because the amazing footage that I have coming for you guys is just going to be phenomenal. Today, we're heading out right now. We're leaving Montana and we're heading out to Yellowstone. And that's about 8 hours from where we're at now. We're probably going to drive 4 hours, park it, get to where we're going, unload the bikes, and just have a dream vacation because that's what we came for. Hey guys, so this day is finally coming to an end. It was crazy, busy, lots going on, tons of surprises. And we're so thankful to be able to now extend our riding season and explore this amazing country and do it on 2 wheels. And so thank you again for sticking around and watching our channel and sharing our channel with your friends. And thank you to all our new subscribers. We have so much more that's going to be coming. And until Wyoming, catch you on the next ride.